I posted anything new on my channel, and I really apologize for that. But it's just that I got stuck with my work, my life so much that I really needed a break to clear my head, and yeah, that is why I couldn't shoot anything new, I couldn't post anything new on my social medias, and I really apologize for that. But I am back, and I'm back with a bang. So I have planned a lot of videos for you guys, and I promise to be regular this time. So yeah, please excuse me for that. Now coming back to today's video. So today's video is going to be a makeup look. So today I'm gonna create a soft glam makeup look. I have been really digging this makeup look. Soft glam makeup look is basically very glam makeup look, but not right in your face. So yeah, that's what I really love about that makeup look. It's a perfect makeup look that you can wear almost anywhere. And yeah, I've been really digging this look. So I thought of creating soft glam makeup look for you girls. It's a very easy breezy makeup look. It's a super effortless makeup look. It seems that you've put in a lot of effort to create that look. Used a lot of product to create that look, but trust me, you have it. And also this look has a lot of romantic vibes to it, and just a very beautiful look. You can literally wear it anytime and anywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna be creating soft glam makeup look today for you guys. So yeah, without any more talking, let's just quickly get started with the video. Before I begin with my makeup, the first thing that I'm gonna do is to take all my hair back, and for that I'm gonna use this beautiful pink color no dent hair clips. They are truly a blessing. They leave no dent whatsoever, and yeah, I'm gonna use these to take all my hair back. Once that is done, then I'm gonna start with my makeup. But before that, I have to really prep my skin and moisturize my skin, and for that I'm gonna use my Pond's Super Light Gel. This is a beautiful moisturizer, you guys. It's in a gel form. So yeah, I'm just gonna dot it all over my face, and then I'm gonna rub it nicely. This moisturizer is non-sticky, non-creasy. It sits beautifully on my skin and leaves a perfect glow. Once we are done moisturizing our face, the next step is to prime our face, and for that I'm gonna use NYX Total Drop Control primer. So it's a beautiful primer. I'm gonna squeeze out some amount and put it on my face, and then gently rub it onto my cheeks, my nose, my chin, my forehead, wherever I have got pore issues. So I'm gonna use this primer to reduce the appearance of it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Once I'm done applying primer onto my face, the next step that I generally follow is to apply foundation. But today, before this step, I'm gonna go ahead and do this additional step, which is to apply a corrector. And here I'm gonna go ahead and use LA Girl Pro Conceal Corrector in orange color. I'm gonna use this corrector to hide the appearance of my dark circles really well. So I'm gonna use it under my eyes. I'm gonna use it wherever I've got acne spots or any blemish, just to make sure that I don't have appearance of dark circle at all. So yeah, I'm gonna use this, and then using a beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it in all really nicely. Once I'm done applying corrector onto my face, the next step that I'm gonna do is to apply foundation. And today I'm gonna use Milani 2-in-1 concealer foundation. I'm in the shade light beige, that is 03. It's a beautiful foundation. I think it's a lighter shade as compared to my skin tone, but I think I'm gonna make it work with all the contouring and bronzer. So yeah, I'm gonna use this concealer. I'm gonna take some amount at the back of my hand, then using a stippling brush I'm gonna dot it all over my face, and then using the same brush I'm also gonna blend it in. And yeah, I'm just gonna blend it in really nicely. As I said, it's kind of a lighter shade, but no worries, I'm just gonna make it work. And I'm gonna take a lot of amount to do so, since I don't want any creasing, any harsh lines, or I don't want to look it cakey. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And as you can see, this particular combination of corrector and foundation has really done a good job to hide my dark circles. Once I'm done applying foundation onto my face, the next step that I'm gonna do is to apply concealer. And the concealer that I'm gonna use is Maybelline Age Divine Concealer in the shade medium beige. A beautiful concealer that not just hides my dark circles, but also highlights my under eyes. So yeah, I'm gonna use this concealer under my eyes, onto the bridge of my nose, and then using my Nykaa small stippling brush, I'm again gonna blend it in all really nicely. And then just to give it one last finish, I'm gonna use my flat beauty blender to pack everything really nicely. As you can see, my base looks perfect right now, and I really love it. The next step is to mattify my entire base, and for that I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Studio Fix compact powder. It's a beautiful compact powder. It sits beautifully on my skin, and you'll just see that within like 5 seconds my entire base is going to look so mattified, so nice, and all things glam. So yeah, I'm gonna use this onto my powder brush and I'm gonna gently pat it onto my face. I'm not gonna rub it because I don't want my application to be removed. So I'm just gonna use this compact powder and this brush to pat it all over my face nicely. Then moving on to the next step, which is our eyebrow. So here I'm going to use my one and only ETUDE House Eyebrow Pencil in the shade dark brown, and using its pencil side I'm going to shape my brows, and then using its spoolie side I'm going to brush it all in so that they all stay in one place. I think doing your brows really makes a whole difference, because now you'll see that how beautiful my face looks. It looks full, it looks, you kind of have something onto your face, it doesn't look flat. So yeah, that's what I really love about doing my brows. And once I'm done doing that, then we're gonna move on to the next step, which is applying eyeshadow. And since you know I am creating this soft glam makeup look, the colors that I'm gonna use is mostly like nude browns color. And also one thing more, I'm gonna create a spotlight effect. You'll see how. So today for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and use this I Love eyeshadow palette from the brand Sephora. It's using this light brown color onto my small blending brush. I'm gonna put it right at the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna blend it in really nicely to make it look more smoky. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then taking the same color, I'm also gonna put it right in the inner corner of my eyes, leaving you know, my mid part of the upper eyelids blank. And I'm gonna take a lot of time to blend my eyeshadow, since I want the application to be perfect and I don't want any harsh lines or any creases later on. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Then taking this dark brown color, I'm again gonna use it onto my small blending brush, and I'm gonna put it right at the outer corner of my eyes. I'm not gonna take it outwards, but I'm just gonna keep blending it in there so that you know it has kind of a dark smoky color eye effect. And then taking the same eyeshadow onto the small blending brush, I'm gonna put it right in the inner corner of my eyes, leaving that mid section of my upper eyelids blank. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then taking my big blending brush, I'm gonna rub it between my crease line and my upper eyelids, leaving that space blank. So yeah, that's what we have to remember. We have to keep that space blank. And also I'm gonna take that dark brown color eyeshadow onto my lower lash line. I'm just gonna smudge it in really nicely, again at the outer corner of my eyes and in the inner corner of my eyes, leaving the mid section blank. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Once we are done blending my eyeshadow, the next step that I'm gonna do is to take this beautiful golden sparkly color onto my ring finger, and I'm gonna use it to put it right at the center of my eyes, creating that spotlight effect. You know, when you close your eyes, it's just like a spotlight in the mid. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And again, taking that golden shimmer shade, I'm gonna put it right in the mid part of my lower lash line. Once I'm done with my other eye, I'm gonna do my second eye off camera, and yeah, voila, I'm back. Now once I'm done with both my eyes, I feel that my under eyes are kind of showing. I don't know why, but I felt that they're kind of showing. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Swiss Beauty concealer in a lighter shade and put it very little amount under my eyes, and then using the beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it all in really nicely. Once that is done, then I'm again gonna go ahead and take my compact powder just to pat it in so that nothing smudges and nothing creases. Once that is done, then I'm gonna take my small fan brush and use this shimmer shade to put it right onto my brow bone, so it kind of looks really highlighted and very well polished. Once that is done, then moving on to the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and put a lot of mascara. For this, I'm gonna go ahead and use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. It's a beautiful mascara. It really lengthens my lashes. It really volumizes them. But the only bad part about this mascara is that it's waterproof, so I would not recommend you to use this on daily basis. So yeah, that is the only bad thing about this mascara. But other than that, it's a beautiful mascara. In fact, it's a perfect dupe for Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Once that is done, for the next step, today I'm gonna put Huda Beauty False Lashes in Jade. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do off camera, and voila, we are done. My eyes look so beautiful right now. I totally love them. And for the next step, then I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. As I said, that I feel my foundation is kind of a lighter shade, and I do have to make it even. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead and use my L'Oreal contour shade. I'm gonna take this onto my contour brush and put it right onto my cheekbones, my jawline, my forehead. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And as you can see, it has given me such a beautiful sun-kissed look that I really love about it. And once that is done, I'm also gonna go ahead and contour my nose. Very, very, very important. So yeah, I'm also gonna do that. Once I'm done contouring my face, the next step is to apply blush, and also my favorite step. So today I'm going to be using
Colorbar Fallen Leaves blush. It's a beautiful nude blush. It's a must-have for any girl out there. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blush. Hands down the perfect blush. And you'll see that it will add just the right amount of color that I need for this look. And yeah, I'm going to be using my blush brush to color my cheeks, my nose, my chin, the usual areas. I just want to dip myself into blush and look all pinky and glowy. For the next step, I'm going to go ahead and apply lipstick. And here I'm going to use these two lipsticks to create a very, you know, ombre kind of effect. So I'm going to be using both of these like nude brown colors. So both of them are from Nykaa. So one is Nykaa Demi Matte in the shade Basic, and the other one is Nykaa in the shade Madras-Kaapi. So I'm going to be using these two shades. First I'm going to use the shade Madras-Kaapi to outline my lip and just to fill in like the corner of my lips, and then using the shade Basic. Then I'm gonna fill in like all the gaps that I have in the center of my lips. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do to create that ombre effect. And I really wanted to have this soft glam makeup look like a glossy one. So I'm gonna be going ahead and then using again Nykaa lipstick in the shade Honeydew. I'm gonna use that and put it right at the center of my lips. And yeah, just that. And I think I'm done. Once that is done, then we move on to the last step, which is to apply highlighter. And of course, I just want to get myself dip into blush, into highlighter. So today I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution highlighter. It's kind of a golden champagne color shade. I'm going to use it to highlight my cheekbones, and oh my god, just look at the payoff. It is so amazing. So yeah, I'm going to be using it to highlight my cheekbones, my bridge of the nose, my cupid bow, chin, and also onto my brow bone. So I'm going to be using this highlighter at every place of my face. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And voila, we are finally done with the makeup. Let me show you guys the final look. Duh.
Look, it has got a beautiful romantic feeling to it. I literally love it. It's so easy to recreate, and literally you can wear it anywhere you want. And yeah, clearly I'm just obsessed how this look has turned out to be. I have taken like 100 photos of it. I love how my eyes are looking. I love this beautiful nude brown lip, and yeah, just totally loving this look. Hope you guys also love this look, and if you did, you know the drill. So please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Do not forget to leave a comment below, and yeah, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, bell notification button, so that every time I post